situating the camera at the moment, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got right now. So I need to do my makeup, and I don't really know what I'm going to do. Kind of just winging it at the moment. I have my James Charles palette that I'm most definitely going to use, and I have about an hour, so we'll see what happens. Most of the time I do makeup, I just wing it. I almost never have a plan, so this is pretty normal for me, but we'll see how this looks when I'm done. And I hope this is a good enough angle for you, because this is the best you're gonna get. Let's see. Well, let's start with foundation. Start with some basics, and we'll see how to go from there. I think I'll do some concealer, possibly. Where is it? Well, that's not good. I mean, it's not a big deal, but like, that's not good. Where is it? You know, or not. It's not necessary. Brows. So, honestly, I'm super cheap. So for brows, I just use this very old Dollar Tree eyeshadow stuff. And this brush from a $10 set I got at Walmart. I could have done any color, and I chose to go normal color. Oh, that's what makeup wipes are for, I guess, but we'll go with this for now and see what happens. Looks pretty good to me, don't you think? So now, I don't want to do any contour or anything like that, because I don't know what I'm doing with my face. The only thing I know I want to do is pay homage. Pay homage to the fact that this is the first blue Star Wars sign that I know of, and I probably could wear blue lipstick for that. And then I want to bring out elements from the trailers that we've seen and the posters. So a big thing is the blue and the red clashing, and that's what these nails are. It's just supposed to be like lightning. There, you can't see them very well, but that's okay. We want to do blue and red. That's a really big thing of what's happening at the moment. This picture I'm looking at has blue lips and like a red line that goes down. I think I want to do that, but maybe do like a double line to signify her double lightsaber. I know how to talk. So what I think I'm going to do is just take some red lipstick and do 2 lines down here. Probably a little longer. Yeah. That's better, but not perfect. So I'm going to take some makeup wipes and just even it out a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. And take it. I think that looks really good, actually. I'm impressed with myself. It looks really good on camera. In real life, it's not as good. I'm not gonna lie. But that's how to do some of the blue. Okay, I really like this. Let me fix it up a little bit. Here, I got a little bit of blue on that lipstick. Is that something anyone else says? If you just mix colors or whatever, you just wipe it off on your hands? You can always take it off later. What do you think? It mixed a little bit to get some purple. But like from a distance, which is the important part, it looks fine. I'm really having to like not purse my lips at all. Carrie Fisher's favorite color was white, so I think we need to include that as well. Somewhere in the look. This is really bothering me, but this isn't even. I mean, that's better. It's nowhere near the actual shape of my lips, but we're gonna call it a day for that, at least for now. So I have the double lightsaber. I even got some red and blue action going. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I got an idea. For the bottom half of my eye, my eyes of all things, but we're gonna take some blue. Okay, I don't know how to be a beauty. I don't know how to be a bluey guru. It's this color. So I'm gonna take the blue and just do it all the way underneath my eye here, the bottom, whatever it's called. I know what it's called, I just can't think of it. This is such an awkward angle to try to be in the shot and look in the mirror. So you're just gonna have a very bad shot, and you're gonna have to live with that. It's the way it's gonna be. I'm sorry, but like not sorry. a little bit under there. Maybe we should add a little bit of dark in there to give it some depth. Ooh, that looks good. Let me add some more light. Blend it out. So we'll do that again. Take a little bit of light, do a base color. Yeah, let me just... both eyes. Okay. And then that was like this shape of brush, and I used... I'm very good at this. I use these two colors. Okay. Now we're going to take a smaller brush, and this is really the only other one I have. And we're going to go into the red. And there's only one red, so I'm not even going to show you. And then what we're going to do, let me see if I can do it. Mirror down here. I'm going to take it like this. Do a little bit of like an it look. Oh, I hope I don't look like it. Take it down like that. It's probably far enough. And then take it out on the sides. The weird faces you have to make. What do you think? Does it kind of look like Kylo Ren's? I think so. And then I'm actually going to take a little bit of black and put it right here at the tip for the handle. I think that looks pretty good. Let me clean this up and then do the other eye. I think it looks pretty good. So, playing with my hair way too much. So there's that. So now I need to do, I kind of look like it, and that's like not what I was really going for. But what to do now? What to do now? I think this is where I just kind of go and see what happens. I'm going to take some of the lighter blue, and I'm going to put it just above the crease. And then I'm going to take it, I'm using a medium brush, I don't know. But I'm going to take it, pull it out, like this to the tip of my eyebrow, like that. And then I brush that off. See, I do this all the time, get the black off. Take some of the blue and sharpen it. So, fix some of the edges because I'm going to take a darker color inside to give it some depth. Let me do that with the other eye. Done. Pretty even. I'm going to take the same small brush, of course, you know, wipe it off on my arm. Get some of that light blue out. And we're going to take the same dark blue again and do a little bit on kind of the inside. So, oh, this is really hard to do from this angle. Here, let me do it with the actual mirror. How does that look? I don't think it made that much of a difference, but we're going to do it on the other eye anyway. So basically what I did is I took it and I did a little bit with this brush on the inside, and then I try to blend it out with this. That's probably the best I'm going to show you, so let me try it down here. Don't turn off on your computer. Yeah, no, I can't do it. So now we need to incorporate red because we need to have that, you know, red fighting. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the red with the little one. And I'm going to maybe do some sort of swirl. So my phone filled up with storage, so I just finished it. Can I grab my hair? I don't know. And I just basically darkened in what I had already outlined. I did it on the other side too. I think looking at it at this very second, I need to fix this a little bit. Like this. Oh yeah, I accidentally did a dot there, but you know what? We're gonna work with it because that's the way I roll. I don't want to sharpen this line. Apparently, we're gonna put a dot there. There we go. That's good. I think it looks fine. So what I think I'm gonna do right now is the way it goes. The way it goes like that. I think I'll pull it up over my eyebrow. Like that. I don't know, I think it kind of looks cool, and that's really all I'm going for. Let me finish it on the bigger mirror. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. So what I'm trying to signify here you know, I'm an English major, and yeah, I have to have, you know, meanings and stuff like that. Under my eye is Kylo Ren. He's got mostly the red, but he's haunted by the blue. And then up here would be Rey, where she's got the, like, the flirting with the red, but she's got a lot of blue. So it's this idea that they're mixed in between with each other, because they really are a lot. So what I think I'm going to do is kind of, do I need to clean this up, my lid up a little bit, and put some white on there to be kind of like a neutral, as well as for Carrie Fisher. So I think what I'm going to do is just, you know, continue to clean this off right here. I know there's a proper way, but I don't feel like doing it. So we're just going to do this. And then we're going to take some white, which again, there's only one white on the James Charles palette, so I'm not even going to bother showing you. And then put it on my lid. I also have a silver highlighter that I think I'll put on there as well to make it shiny and more obvious that it's white. I don't know what this is. There it is. I think it looks pretty good. But I'm going to take this brush, put it in the blue kind of lightly, and see if I can do like a contour. Actually, I think that looks pretty good. That's pretty light. It doesn't look super good on camera, but I think it looks pretty good in real life. It's kind of just subtle enough, but like you can see it. I'm trying to make it even though. I think it's good. I think I'm going to keep it like that. So I do my forehead as well. Have white. Let me take some white eyeliner, right? Yeah, I got this at Kroger. I'm going to take it into my corner. Make a point with it, because, you know, you can't really see it, but... Oh, no, you can't see it for real on the camera. I wasn't even looking. Okay, don't mess with it. It looks fine. Even though it's not completely even, it'll be fine. I've got some fun little things. So I guess it would just be like small details now. I have a red, I don't have a red dot. I have a blue dot. So what if I did a red dot right? Let's do it here. Right there. I'm trying to decide if I want eyeliner or not. I think I should. Maybe not a wing, but just like on my eyes. So I 100% can't do it in that camera, so we're gonna snap. You ready? Okay, this kind of just regular eyeliner is how it ended up turning out because I couldn't do it well today. So I think let's do some eyelashes. Is this the finished look? I don't know. What time is it? Almost 4 o'clock. Yeah, this probably should be the finished look. We had a few small stuff. Some blue dots. We got some more dots out there. Double lightsaber. Should I do something for the Emperor? Lightning? Maybe if I... This could be a big mistake. Okay, I tried to do lightning, but it doesn't really look like lightning. But I don't want to take it off, and it doesn't look bad, so I think I'm just going to keep it and do it on the other eye. Yeah, the key with winging makeup like this, if you do something, for the most part you just gotta stick to it. Here's the finished look. I quite like it, so I'm gonna go do my hair. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do my nails, and finish up. This is like the best look you're gonna get at my hair right now. I pulled it half up, and then I did a rope braid, and then spun it around into a bun, and that's this here. And then I braided the rest of my hair and pulled it up and wrapped it around and pinned it in. So yeah, I'll get someone to do a better video of it later, but right now this is what I got. This is my final look. Got the Star Wars set, and then face. I can't really show you my hair any more than what I just did, so. I'm just editing the video and realized I didn't have an ending, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my face.